Hello, my name is Sherry. In previous video, we have covered about insert and design. Here is a short recap of previous video. The function of insert is to put some images, tables, charts, equations, and more into the slides. Here are all the options that you could insert by using the toolbar. Today I will be covering about inserting pictures. There are few methods of inserting pictures. Here I'll provide you three methods. The first method is by using the toolbar over here. What you have to do is just go to Insert, Pictures, and it will pop up two options for you. This device means that it will upload the pictures from your computer, your phone, and the devices that you are using currently. Online pictures means that it will upload pictures from the bin. Bin is also known as similar to Google. It will upload the pictures from worldwide, from the keywords that you are looking for. By inserting it from this device, it will pop up the image that I have in my own device. Here you can see there's one picture over here, and I'll insert it. And there you go, the pictures have been inserted. Another method is by inserting it through this design layout icons. How do you get this kind of icons? Well, when you have selected the designs that you like, here for me I have chosen this. You just have to go to insert new slides, or you could even just select the slides that you like, and here you will pop up all these icons. All these icons are actually similar to all of these. It will only provide the most that people have used. Here you can see there are two icons for pictures. The first one is actually similar to the method that I have shown you just now, is by inserting it through my device. The second method is click the pictures icon online here. This one is actually the online where you search it. Here I'll look for the keyword of rainbow, and as you can see here, you will provide a lot of variety of image about rainbow. Click the one that you like and click insert. Here you have it, the image that have been uploaded using online pictures. Today we are going to talk about transition and animation. First of all, the definition of transition is a motion of effects that occur in slideshow when you are changing to the next slide during a presentation. The objective of it is to make your slide look smoother and clean. To make it easy for user, I'll use the magnify. Here you will notice that there's a star below the numbers of slides, but for the first and second there's no star. This star represents that there's a transition ongoing in this slide. As you can see on this fourth slide, there's a review transition, and for the third slide is white. But since slide 1 and slide 2 don't have a star, that means no transition exists in these two slides. The reason why the first and second slide don't have transition is because I want to show you the difference between having a transition and without one. Here, when I click present, it will straight away pop up without anything, and for the second as well. But when we have a transition ongoing on the third and fourth slide, you'll notice there's a motion going up. Here I'll click to the next one, and there you go, there's a white transition going to the left. For the fourth slide as well, And there you have it. This is the difference between having a transition and without one. Now, I'm going to show you the method of inserting a transition into a slide. All you have to do is go to Transit menu, click the transition that you like. If you are not sure which one to choose, you could just click on it first. A demo of transition will pop up. Here you can see if I click fade, and it will show the fade transition. Or it's also push and up to you which transition do you like. Once you have chosen the transition that you like, you could adjust the timing over here. There are few options provided for you. When it comes to sound, this sound will be provided when the transition occurs. For example, if I put a boom, and when I go to this transition, there's a boom sound. Duration is to make the time of the transition looks longer. Here you can see it's 2 seconds for this fracture, but if I adjust it to around 5 or 6, and when I click present, here you can see the transition is very slow. And if I make it like only 1 second, see how fast is the transition? So that is what duration is used for. And if you like every of the slide consists of boom, you could just click apply all. Even with the duration, it will apply everything to it. For example, if I click apply all, you can see for the other slides contains the sound boom and duration 1 second only. Now I will change back the duration to 2. And since the boom sound is quite loud, I'm going to put it as no sound and click apply to all. And now you can see that there's no sounds and duration for the other side. But you have to pay attention of one thing. Once you click apply all, the transition that you have chosen in this slide will apply in the other slide as well. Even goes for this option, and this option I will discuss with you later. You have to change back if you want to change the transition of the other slide. Next, I'm going to talk about this advanced slide. Advanced slide is method for you to choose how you want to move to the next slide. On mouse clicks means that whenever I'm done with this slide, if I want to change to the next slide, what I have to do is just click the left mouse button. After means that I don't have to use the mouse click button to change to the next slide, but I could set a timer like here you can see 5 seconds, and after 5 seconds it will move on to the next slide itself. Here I will show you the after example. Once I click present, it will start counting down to 5 seconds, and after 5 seconds it will transform to the next page. And here you can see this is the next page, since after 5 seconds I didn't click anything. Mouse click is just similar to most of the others. Like here for example, since I didn't set after 5 minutes they won't change to the next slide, but only when I click it will change to the next slide. Next, I'm going to talk about animation. Animation is similar to transition, but it adds the effects into the words and points. The objective of animation is to provide emotion in your words. Again, I will show you the example with animation and without animation. As you can see, this slide have animation, but the others don't exist any animation at all. So once I have clicked the present slides, you can see it won't pop up anything yet, but after when I click it, it will start to appear one by one. Now I'm going to show you the method of using animation. All you have to do is go to animation, select the animation effects that you like. For example, I'll go for fade. Never mind, I'll go for fly in. So you can see this is how fly in works. If you notice at the side of the animation bar, there's an effect option. What effect option does is that it will let you choose how is the direction that the animation wanted to go. For example, now it's from the bottom, and I could choose it to go from the top, and here you see. There's also a lot of options for you to choose from, but there's one thing I need to state is that different animation will have different effect of option. For example, as you can see, fade in, there's no effects of options for you to choose from, but float in has, split also consists, and the others you could try it all by yourself. Below the direction, there's a sequence. Sequence means that you can choose like how do you want the points to pop up. Do you want to pop up in one go, or all together at once, or by paragraph? Now I'm currently using by paragraph, and what does paragraph means is that it will go one by one, so that's why you can see there's a number 1, 2, 3. If I make it as one go, you'll notice that it will go all together in one time, and all at once is like this. It will go together same time, but not in a square. It will be by different groups, as you can see by the numbers over here. Now I'm going to present my screen. Once I click, you can see all the words didn't pop up. This is because the animation started. So in order for the points to pop up, I have to click or scroll down my mouse. Here you can see once I click, the animations begin. And this is with animation. Without animation, it's like this. The words will just show up with the slides. Now I'm going to click the animation pane. Animation panes means that it will show what animation is being used in this slide. I could even add even more animation into this. For example, I will add emphasis and color plus. So here you can see it will add another animation, but when I click down and click play from the beginning, first it will show like this, and next it will pop up with that. Once I click present screen, you can see first, second, third, and then after that it will show the emphasis color pane animation as well. Here you can see the first one, second, and third. In the timing sections, the start and duration is the same with the transition. Now I'm going to talk about delay. Delay means that if you want to make it start later, you could adjust it to back. For example, you see, if I adjust this, the green box over here will go to the back, and when I click play, it will take 1.50 seconds to play out the first point, since I delay it. In the reorder animations, what this does is that you could adjust your animation. For example, if I want to move the third animation to the top with the points over here, I would just do move earlier. For example, I move it to the top. So when it comes to play selected, it will play this first instead of others. And here, let me show you. You see, it will play this first, then it will play the others animations. Therefore, that wraps up today's video. In conclusion, PowerPoint is more suitable when it comes to presenting the stuff that you need to present, and all of the function that we have teachers is good when it comes to put it in your slides. And that is all from us. Thank you.